Hey everyone, this is Aaron with DIY Home Repair. Today I'm going to be uninstalling this old Delta 600 series valve and installing a new Moen Posi-Temp valve. Now I'm also going to be removing all the copper here and going straight to PEX, so I'll cut both these lines back and go PEX all the way up. So the first thing we want to do is we want to remove the cartridge and any non-brass fittings or anything in the valve that could potentially melt when you go to solder on the new connections. Now, as you can see, the valve that I did buy is already set up for PEX connections on the hot and the cold side, though it's still going to require a tub and shower spout to be soldered on. The tub spout is pretty much always recommended to be straight copper, but the shower spout can be PEX. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to solder on a copper tube and put a cap on it, and then I will solder a PEX adapter on the shower spout. Now, another important thing to note is that there are two indicators for the shower and the tub spout. There's a notch and the word up. The side with the notch and the word up should be pointing upward towards the shower head when installed, while the side without, the tub spout side, should be pointing downwards towards the floor. So when you solder on the tub spout, you want to make sure it's soldered onto the side without the notch and without the word up. If the valve is installed upside down, you're going to have to install the trim upside down as well. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and measure for our blocking. Now in most cases we want the black plaster guard on the valve to end up being flush with the finished wall. So when you're setting the depth for the blocking, make sure you account for the backer board and whatever finishing materials you're going to be using. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and install our cartridge. We're going to install it in the off position. So we want to make sure there's no notch on this side. So you'll see if you turn it over, there's a small notch here. This is the on position. So we want to install this in the off position. This thing will rotate here. So the other thing we want to make sure of is that the cartridge is pushed all the way forward. So if you leave it like that and install it, you will get water flow when you turn your water back on, which is not good. So we want to make sure that's pushed all the way forward. And then we're just going to install it like this. And push from back here. Just push that all the way back in there. Like that. And we're going to take our pin here. We're going to install that like that. That's going to hold us in place, and make sure you're in the off position. And that's it. Now you should be able to go turn your water back on. Hey guys, thanks for watching and supporting the channel. As always, if you're not already a subscriber, make sure you click that link below and become one. We got lots of great content available and more coming out all the time. Also, if you have any questions, thoughts, or things you'd like to see us do in the future, make sure you put it in the comment section and let us know. And again, thanks for watching.